town hall meetings are about empowering the people of Jamaica.
And with that in mind, Prime Minister Andrew Holness kicked off his inaugural town hall meeting in Oteria St. Anne. Joined by key government ministers, residents of Oterias and its environs not only got to hear of plans to develop the area, but also to have their voices heard and input given into those plans.
We are here as servants of the people, and we are here to hear what you have to say.
If we could find a way to make it so that the hotels are forced to use Jamaicans and train them.
Your Minister of Tourism, Ed Bartlett, will be putting in place very shortly a training institution, more like a management college for management level staff of the hotel industry.
Our people in Epworth will be late for everything because we have no transportation as a result of this very, very, very bad road.
I believe that there could be some partnership between the two organizations, the NWA and the Parish Council, and JSIF. So I am giving another instruction right in front of you that the three agencies must collaborate and come up with a solution for your road.
We can't kill the party out. When the police go in and locking off the party at 9 o'clock in the night, it's not fair.
Have a little patience with us. We understand the issues, and I think we have a solution that is working.
We are not getting any purified water.
I will certainly speak with the Member of Parliament afterwards.
I would like to know, Minister, when you are going to take the import duty off electric cars.
We are looking at a differential duty structure to encourage the importation of more fuel-efficient vehicles.
Golden Grove Road was just fixed the 9th of December. I can't forget because we suffered over a year and we have potholes already. I want a government led by you to ensure quality of roadworks that take place.
Stephen, please ensure that that is addressed. Your bigger question about ensuring quality is a concern that I share, and I want you to rest assured that we will ensure that there is quality work being done by the NWA.
Is there any forthcoming assistance or push in policy adjustment to the legislation that surrounds the role and function of the Early Childhood Commission?
And the simple answer is yes. I'll be announcing more comprehensively what we'll be doing for the early childhood sector.
Whenever the municipal police are working, sir, and they seize in your goods, they take them away, throw them in the trucks, they damage them, and then in return they want you to come and pay for the damaged goods. That is not right.
I am going to follow up, Mr. Mayor. Expect a call from me in this regard.
Even as the Andrew Holness-led government answered pertinent questions posed by residents, the state also shared plans to better their lives.
The Jamaica Social Investment Fund is doing a comprehensive program in the Steertown, St. Anne's Bay region. And for the first time at last, we are building homes that even the minimum wage holder can afford. And anyone who is working can afford. And we're going to bring some of those houses to St. Anne very soon. In the case of water, we are in the process of looking at an extensive system on the North Coast that will bring relief to the entire rural community and the townships on the North Coast.
We intend to continue with the program of aggressive promotion of investment in the economy. We were able to rescue Noranda bauxite, keep it open, continuing to create jobs in the parish of St. Anne.
We are going to find a space for you. We're going to lift you up with education. We're going to transform you. And so you can embrace the hope and the prosperity.
There will be no quick fix. There is no magic wand. And there is no switch to turn crime off. The answer is united, focused, and dedicated effort. Good people must come together. I encourage all of you all of you to download the Stay Alert app and to be a part of this thing to pass information.
So I want you to see that your government is working on doing the things that are going to transform. We're starting by spending $100 million on improving the market. The one pier that you presently have that is suitable for the docking of cruise ships and the promenade around that, we are going to be spending $270 million on improving that promenade. We're going to be spending $80 million this year to start, and we are starting the construction of the new artisan village this year. We are going to be spending $2.5 billion Jamaican dollars, right, to improve the Reynolds Pier so that it can now comfortably take cruise ships. So this government is not just talking, we are doing. And all of what I've said to you are things that will start this year.